2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.